Hello, my name is Willard with Assured Comfort Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and today we're going to briefly go over how a furnace heats your home. So on every furnace you have a gas line coming in, and that gas is going to come in, ignite, and that's where you're going to see a flame, and it's going to heat up something called a heat exchanger, which is basically a big piece of metal in your furnace that gets hot. The air from your home is going to go over that heat exchanger and heat your home. At the same time, the combustion gases is going to be vented out safely out of your home, like carbon dioxide and all the combustion gases. And the air coming in is going to be cold. The air coming out is going to be heated. And till your thermostat set at the proper comfort level, and once it is reached its desired level, it will stop and then shut off. And that is how a furnace heats your home.